add a little bit of butter to it. We're going to add the goat meat to the and brown the goat meat. And saute the goat meat as brown as it can be possible. Then we add our chopped onions to it. Some more garlic and some scotch bonnet peppers. We need to be very gentle when you're putting the scotch bonnet peppers because some celery, get celery and green onion stalks. Again saute it. Once we saute all this, we're going to stop a little bit of regular water or a stock, whatever we have at home. And then we simmer this goat meat for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. We're going to leave it now for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And then we will go towards making our Johnny cakes, which is going to be the dumpling, the fried dumplings, which we're going to make along with that now. The tomatoes and the potatoes we're going to add only after say 40 minutes of this meat getting cooked. In the end, we're going to add the tomatoes and the potatoes which we have cut. You can cut the potatoes the way you